Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Antipolo Sports Hub. This is the venue of the Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 4. All right, our games today. San Pedro Muntinlupa, that was earlier. That was in the 7 o'clock game. And coming on right up, it's the Leyte team, Sur Homes versus Parañaque. At yung huling game natin, Antipolo versus Batangas. Hello everybody, my name is Sandy Gumo alongside Melo Navarro. Magandang hapon at ikaw na naman at tayo na naman.
Magandang hapon, Sandy, and tayo na naman ang closer, no? Exciting games ang hatid natin ngayong hapon.
Tingnan natin ang mga resulta sa dalawang koponan in their previous game. Itong Leyte, natalo sila sa last game nila.
Well, itong ang Leyte lost by 20 points against San Pedro Spartans, and in that ball game, they lost by 9 in the rebounding battle, and 23 steals ang naitala doon ng San Pedro. It resulted to 33 points in the coming off those turnovers, and maganda rin yung naging puntos ng San Pedro in the shaded area, 54, kaya questionable ngayon ang depensa nitong Leyte Sur Homes in the shaded area.
Questionable yan, wala si Guy. On the other side of the floor, we go to the Parañaque team, which lost also in their last game.
It was a tough loss para dito sa Parañaque, and they only shot 34% from the field, gave up 57 rebounds, and same ang naging problema nila, no? Points in the paint din, 78 para dito sa Batangas, and the bench of Batangas working well in that game, 47 compared only to the 17 nitong Parañaque.
We'll turn you over now to our arena announcer, Jay Cruz, to introduce the starting five.
Inside the Antipolo City Sports Hub, as we bring you Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 4, ang Liga ng Bawat Batang Pilipino. 18 other division between Leyte, Batang Summer Sur Homes and Parañaque Emblo Basketball. Now introducing the starters first for Leyte, Batang Summer Sur Homes. Starting guard number 13, Gian Clemente. To guard number 40, Julius Gabalonzo. At forward number 27, Bian Sicon. Other forward number 1, Kirby Obrigar. And at center number 36, Arendo Van Hoekshoek. Head coach is Ben James Siguan, assisted by Cliff Sohon. Team manager Clarence Ohoy. And team owner Chervin Sevilla. And now let us meet the starters for Parañaque Emblo Basketball. Starting guard number 24, James Cortero. To guard number 33, Ram Berrocky. At forward number 30, Vince Morgan. Other forward number 8, Adrian Alcázar. And at center number 22, Vincent Ormeneta. Head coach is Kenneth Paval, assisted by Neil Evangelista and Gerald Paul Serrano. Team manager Julius Wong. Team owner Mark Lopez.
All right, the Doray starting five for Leyte Sur Homes, Clemente, Gabalonzo, Siguan, Abaygar, and Van Hoeksloot, and Beraket, Cordero, Magan, Elvester, and Ormineta will start for Parañaque. We are set to go here. Both teams will try to get their first win here in the Junior MPBL Season 4. Again, we're inside the Antipolo Sports Hub. It's the second time that that Antipolo hosting the junior MPBL. Antipolo, that's the team from Leyte, scoring the first field goal here.
And we mentioned nga both these teams wanting to avenge themselves coming off tough losses. At itong Leyte magsisimula ng scoring dito.
Outside we go for three, can't get it a fall. At nakakuha ng rebound itong number 36 ng Leyte. That's Van Hoeksloot. Offensive rebound by Kirby Abaygar. So that's the second field goal for Leyte. Magan. And Leyte just playing zone here. Behind the back pass in traffic. Unable to floater, yes.
Off that kick out pass, able to knock down that floater. First 2 points para dito sa Parañaque.
8:26 to go in the first quarter. This is the 18 under division.
And they're scoring at will. Itong Leyte driving lane seems to be wide open para sa kanila.
Ito yung team sa Visayas. Malayo pa ito, no? Nice move. And the finish by Julius Gabalonzo. And Parañaque wants to talk things over. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
All right. Van Hoeksloot. I don't know if I say it right, but just trust my instincts. 8-2. What a start for Leyte here in the first quarter, Melo.
Yeah, lahat ng points itong Leyte are all layups. Kaya naman maaga na patawag ng timeout itong si Coach Kenneth Raval. And you mentioned about the proper pronunciation ng apelido. Si Andy makakasagot niyan.
Anong right pronunciation to Andy? Van Hoeksloot. All right. I trust my instincts. 8-5 is our score. Na-miss ko na yung all right eh. 7:28 to go. And again, it's all Leyte sa umpisa ng ating first quarter, Melo.
And we mentioned on top of the coverage, interior defense, a question for both teams. And early here in this game, itong Parañaque having the same problems. As we take a look at this pass inside, alley-oop para dito sa Leyte. That was Kirby Abaygar.
It's a 5-point lead for Leyte. Ormineta. 3 ball. Yes. And he cuts down the lead to 2 points, 10-8.
On the side of Parañaque, outside shooting naman yung kanilang pinagkukuhanan ng puntos dito. Closing the gap.
And it's taken away by Parañaque. Nice pass. Magan will score over 2 white shirts.
And
We'll turn you over now to Andrea Veloso, our courtside reporter. Andrea, I'm sorry.
Last game was heartbreaking for Leyte Sure Homes, and one big factor for the loss is that they were missing two of their double-digit scorers. Now, fortunately, ang nagbabalik ngayon, itong sina Gian Clemente and Julius Gabalonzo. Julius said today he's at his 100% focus literal daw kasi na gusto niyang makabawi sa koponan niya. And so far, Gian and him are scoring here in the first quarter, gentlemen.
All right, thank you very much, Parañaque. Able to tie at 10-0, but Leyte scored a field goal, so now they're back on top by 2 points.
And it turned out to be a good timeout para dito sa Parañaque. Players quickly responding, although they will turn the ball over in this possession.
Ball goes back to Leyte. 5.5 to go in the first quarter. We are glad that you can join us. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Season 4. Abaygar inside finds trouble and he loses control of the basketball. Awkward looking layup and the follow by Alvester.
Good recovery para dito kay Alvester, not giving up on that play. Transition defense naman ang nawala doon para dito sa Leyte.
Foul away from the ball. Alvester will be called for it. 5 minutes gone here in the first quarter. Tough shot there by Gabalonzo.
Fall away jumper para dito kay Gabalonzo, averaging 11 points a ball game ngayon, nakaka-anim na here in the first.
Outside shot did not go in. Clemente unable to track it down. Labor inside for two.
Defense turning into offense para dito sa Parañaque. Palitan tayo ngayon dito.
And they forgot to play defense in transition as Leyte will score in transition. They're up by 2, 16-14.
And with the way things are going here, we can expect a high-scoring game.
Oh, yeah.
Palitan agad, ang bilis ng sagutan.
Gabalonzo will not force the issue. Goes one-on-one. And he kicks it out. Shot clock at 15 seconds. There's the kick out. 3 if it goes in. Battle for the rebound. Magan is ahead. He drops it and Magan scores. Back-to-back field goals for Magan. Now he has 4 points.
That's 4 fast break points para dito sa Parañaque. And kung interior defense ang nagiging problema nitong Parañaque para naman sa Leyte, transition defense, yung kanilang kinakailangan na pagtuunan ng pansin.
Ball goes back to Parañaque. What an assist by Alvester a moment ago. And we are tied at 16-all with 3:31 to go in the first quarter. So far, after that 10-5 run by Leyte, we're tied at 16. 3 if it goes in. And Chua clears it for Leyte.
Bothered by 2 defenders itong si Chua. Ball poked away.
Three minutes and 16 to go. First quarter, 18 under division. Ito yung mga kuya. Yung 16 under kanina ng Parañaque ay natalo.
It was a nail biter of a game, no? 1 point. They could have won that.
Naitira pa eh.
Oo.
Oh, he was in a very difficult situation with 3 white jerseys ganging up on him. As Ibarra will go to the line right now to shoot 2 free throws.
It was a daredevil drive para dito kay Ibarra. And the best that he could get out of that possession is ito na yung free throws.
Yeah.
Wala nang pag-asang maitira ng maayos yun.
There's Leyte on top by 2 points. Second free throw. And he missed both. Lane violation. Clemente. 3 minutes to go in the first quarter. Uy. And the big guy, number 12 of Leyte.
Well, I was going to say, maganda na yung perimeter defense that time nung Paranaque. Pero nung i-dump yung bola sa post one-on-one, doon naman sila ngayon na nagka-problema because of the size advantage.
Yeah, that was bully basketball. Values bulldozing his way inside, and he gets the second free throw. 2 minutes and 48 to go. Morelos. Chua flies and short on the layup. Paranaque running. 3. Short. Ibarra unable to move his defender away. 3 ball. A foul is called on Morelos. Ibarra again will go to the free throw line. The second time that Ibarra will go to the free throw line. In his previous trip, it was 0 of 2 from the free throw line. And now he gets his first. Now he is shooting 1 out of 3 at the free throw line. Leyte up by 2.
Yeah, look at those big guys battling inside. Pagkalinawan, and I believe that's Damian.
Two-point ball game here. 19 for Leyte, 17 for Paranaque.
They've been trying to attack the post itong Leyte. Second time around in this game that they dumped it inside.
Labor. Clemente. Chua. It's the second time that Chua blows his layup. Ibarra scores. That was a tough shot by Ibarra.
Difficult shot para kay Ibarra. Humahanap pa ng foul dun sa kanyang layup na yon.
I think kailangan lang matuto na huwag munang mag-complain eh.
Oo.
Takbo lang sa depensa. Go back on defense as C will go inside.
Because at the end of the day, pag walang pito, wala ka namang magagawa.
Wala. Wala nga court of appeals eh. Yes!
Another three-pointer para dito sa Paranaque. That was Vince Magan. Lalo linggo, sarado korte.
Oh. Clemente. Chua scores from downtown.
Ayaw pumasok ng layups. Chua deciding to knock it down from the outside.
That is his first from three-point territory. Traveling violation. Good defense downstairs by C. And it's a tied ball game we have here with 25 seconds to go. And we have a timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to.
From tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. All right, let's check this three-pointer from ang layo niyan, Melo.
Oo, parang nandun pa lang yan sa may crossing. At ito naman ang sagot mula kay Chua. Back-to-back threes from both our teams to end that quarter.
Tied at 22 all. Three won't go down. 10 seconds left to play. We have substitution. Labor. Ibarra 4-3. Bullseye!
What a way for Parañaque to connect from the outside. That is the reason why they're up in this game. Kanina, nagsimula itong Leyte, attacking the shaded area, going for the layups. But Parañaque was able to respond with those threes. Mukhang nakuha nila yung kanilang shooting kay Coach Mark Lopez.
We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga.
All right, second quarter is about to start. Your thoughts on the first period? Both teams, they're shooting at will from long distance.
Well, it has been inside scoring para dito sa panig ng Leyte. They have 14 points in the paint and 6 fast break points. Para naman dito sa Parañaque, 4 na 3-pointers ang kanilang pinakawalan.
Magan misses on the three. Reverse is good. That was a tough shot by Ormenta.
And that's a welcome development para dito sa Parañaque. Ormenta scoring inside, mixing up their points of attack.
25 to 22. And C is fouled.
C just cruising past by his defender. Kanina pa itong umaatake and nahihirapan itong Parañaque na makontain yung kanyang mga penetrations.
It's a 5-point lead for Parañaque, 27-22. C scores at the free throw line. Sino yan? Sino? Dapat dito siya sa goal o sa kabila, kaya may upuan, no? Those are passionate fans.
Yeah. Basta't may basketball, nandyan yung mga yan.
Oo, at saka kahit saan man tayo sa dako ng Pilipinas, nandyan sila, no? Parañaque. Oh, that's Leyte in transition. And the follow by Abaygar. Kirby Abaygar.
And Abaygar able to position himself for that putback. Second chance points once again para dito sa Leyte.
Ibarra playing the entire first quarter and ball taken away. Cordero with a turnover. Chua scores this time on the left side.
Contested layup para kay Chua.
All right, Andrea, take it away.
For Parañaque, Parañaque, even though they lost last game, a lot of them scored in double digits. And that was enough for the coaches to see that they really have capable and skilled players. It's just a matter of trusting each other more and staying composed every game. Kasi weakness pa rin talaga nila yung chemistry. But the coaches remained optimistic dahil mahaba-haba nga raw yung naging pahinga nila. Kaya alam nila na nandun yung gigil ng mga players. Especially parehas din silang may gustong patunayan nitong kalaban. Gentlemen.
All right, thank you very much, Andrea. We've been talking about chemistry since we started Junior MPBL last night. Chemistry pa rin yung pinag-uusapan natin, ano?
Kaya nga,
At saka yung mahabang pahinga.
hindi lang sa basketball nagiging problema minsan yung chemistry.
Oo, pati sa yung mag-un. 8 minutes and 21 to go.
Sportsman-like foul ang naitawag dito after that steal.
Pag may unsportsmanlike dito, you have to rest for 3 minutes.
Yeah.
It's our own rules. Dito
House
sa
rules,
house
yeah.
rules sa Junior MPBL.
But it's interesting, meron ng bagong development sa FIBA starting October. Pero of course, we cannot implement it yet.
Kailangan gamitin muna nila sa international
No.
bago natin magamit.
Yes.
Kasi obserbahan din yan kung okay ba o hindi.
But it's a nice observation and modification from FIBA. Pinaghiwalay na nila yung mga unsportsmanlike fouls na may contact at yung just to stop a fast break. So magkaiba na ang penalty niya.
Penalty kick? Ano ng penalty niyan?
And of course, yung it's another basket from the paint para dito sa Leyte.
I remember 3 years ago or maybe 5 years ago before the 5 years ago before the pandemic. Di ba yung pag ikaw yung dito na bench or sa right side ka, sa left side ka mag-uumpisa. Di ba?
Oo, yes.
Pag left side ka, sa right side ka. Ngayon, pag right side ka mag-uumpisa. Dito ka i-score.
And even the possession, di ba, binago na nila. Yung,
So,
saan yung goal.
tapos ginamit yan doon sa City of Canlaon. Yung panalay lang. Tinesting na nila. Kahit hindi pa ginamit sa FIBA. Pero nabasa na nila sa FIBA na yun yung gagamitin. Nauna pa rin yun, taga Visayas.
A lot of innovations. And for me, that's a good, that's a good rule change kasi nga hindi naman din talaga pwedeng pareho yung penalty doon sa excessive hard contact at doon sa foul mo lang just to stop a fast break. So, ang mangyayari doon is hindi na siya kasama doon sa combination of a technical and unspo para ma-out of the game yung isang player.
Okay. Ormineta. Ormineta with a tender touch.
Great feed inside. Soft touch for a big guy itong si Urmineta. Gentle giant.
6.5 remaining. It's been a pretty close first half action. And a beautiful move there by number 90. That's Selmo.
And kapansin-pansin dito, halos nagiging parang one-on-one yung ating ball game, especially on the side of Leyte.
C. And Abaigar scoring there on selfish play by C. And 35-32, we have a timeout here in Antipolo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga, nagkakaisa.
All right, 35-32, and Parañaque just called a timeout.
And this is not the first time they did that in the game kanina. They were down by 7 points and they responded quickly. Ngayon naman, after a timeout, tabla ulit itong ating laro. And we have to credit the coaches for knowing when to pause that ball game dahil alam din nila kung ano yung capacity ng kanilang mga players.
5.5 remaining. Oh, tough shot there by Carlos Colcol.
5 straight points coming off that timeout. 1 point itong si Coach Kenneth Raval. What about that drive mula dito kay Kirby Abaigar? Uncontested.
Tied at 37 all. 3 balls short.
Oh, tight defense right there, but napasobra yung pressure itong si Cordero, and it was caught impeding that dribble penetration mula dito kay Gabalonzo.
Our FD is from LA, and according to him, he's a Philam. LA, that means Lower Antipolo. Ibig sabihin nito,
Home
Upper
court.
Antipolo.
Home court niya pala to.
Home court. Upper Antipolo to. Alright. Malamig dito sa gabi. 39-37 is our score. Let's check this pound for pound fitness foul counted.
That was the putback mula dito kay Von Huxlut. And he will get a trip to the free throw line, and he completes the 3-point play.
Four and a half to go. Alvester for 3.
And after that, good shooting from the first quarter. Ngayon naman, dalawang mintis na itong Parañaque from the outside.
3-point lead. Oh, Leyte again from downtown. That is now a 6-point lead. 43-37.
Difficult shot mula dito kay Bien Sigu on a step back 3-pointer.
There's the frontal assault. Nowhere to go in traffic. And picked up by Siguan. Diamante. He gets it back. He fakes and will be fouled. And he will go to the free throw line.
Good move from the big guy coming from the outside, using his dribble to create space, and he'll be rewarded with 2 free throws.
3 minutes and 43 to go in the first half. And he misses his first. Oh, that's Damian. I'm sorry. I said Diamante. It's Damian.
Splits his charities itong si Damian.
3 minutes and 40 to go. Molo. Three-pointer. No. Alvester with the offensive rebound. 2 points para kay Labor.
John Labor with that mid-range jumper. And so far, Parañaque getting their points either from threes or from perimeter shots.
44-37, 3 minutes to go. Outside shot did not go in. Sigua not able to score a field goal that time. They're up by 5 points here in the second period.
But the thing about Leyte, they may not be converting their field goals, pero ang dami nila nakukuha free throws dito sa ating ball game.
Under 3 minutes to go in the second quarter. Alam mo itong courtside reporter natin, kaninang umaga pa yan, 7 o'clock again, maganda pa rin, ano? Hindi mo lang nagbago yung aura. Saka ang galing ng mag-report. Napakagaling. Di na daw ma-reach, sabi ng taga-film natin na FD from LA. 44-39, it's a 5-point lead by Leyte. Molo. Labor fires. There's Clemente. That was a difficult pass.
Masyadong mababa yung pasa na yun.
2.5 to go. Clemente hesitates to move, dancing for freedom. And that's Damian scoring.
That's what you want to see from your big guy.
Yeah.
Going to work inside, using his footwork to be free on that attack.
Alvester goes inside for the kill. And he was not able to score. For 3. It goes out of bounds.
And so far here in the second, medyo bumagal yung scoring. Both our teams, and kagandahan din, nabawasan din yung kanilang mga turnovers dito.
At saka nung first quarter, dikit yung dalawang kupunan eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, itong Leyte ay lamang ng 9 na puntos. Short. Siguan clears it. Nice shot by number 40 Leyte. That's Julius Gabalonzo.
Nagawa pa ng paraan itong si Gabalonzo. I thought that was good defense already on the part of Vince Magan, but better offense ang ginawa ron ng Leyte.
We go to the corner, but Doblada attacking the interior defense, but to no avail. Ball deflected out of bounds.
They didn't have the numbers that time itong Leyte. That was the 2 against 4 fast break attack.
1:08 to go in the first half. 50-39, largest lead of Leyte here in the game.
And when Parañaque started to miss from the outside, doon na nakalayo itong Leyte.
1 minute to go. Shot clock at 14 seconds. There's the floater. And rebounded by Morelos. C attacks and scores.
That is one of the strengths itong Leyte. Every time you give them a chance to run, they have good finishers in Gabalonzo, C.
And they're not afraid to miss their shots. They, you know,
Yeah.
kanina si Chua, dami niyang miti sa layup. Takbo pa rin sila ng takbo. Doblada. Labor. We go to the corner for 3. Chua tapped it to Gabalonzo. Gabalonzo with the separation, and he lost control of the ball. Ball deflected out of bounds by Morelos.
Good effort that time on the part of Leyte to sprint back. Stopping that fast break attack nitong Parañaque, and Parañaque will be inserting back in the game itong si Ormemento.
12 seconds remaining in the shot clock and game clock. They're the same as Ormeneta will score.
Kaya siya binalik agad, no? Kailangan na ulit ng scoring inside para dito sa Parañaque, and good defense that time.
52-41 is our score. And that's the end of the first quarter.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod, Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. bang akyatin ng mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag kang matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ng mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro.
Natin.
And both our teams definitely refreshed dito sa ating ball game. We can expect them to go all out.
At saka, pag mahaba din yung break no? Pag may ano din yan may epekto. Traveling violation called on Selmo. Ball goes to Parañaque. So, your thoughts on the first half, by the way?
And that first half, and sabi nga natin kanina, it has been itong Leyte attacking the shaded area. And 3-pointers naman yung pinapangsagot ng Parañaque. But in the second quarter, nung nagsimulang lumamig itong outside shooting ng Parañaque, that's when Leyte pulled away and built the double-digit lead.
Battle for the rebound won by Cordero. Nice pass. But they're not able to score there as Alvester misses a point blank. Selmo. Gabalonzo. Still an 11-point lead by Leyte.
Oh, what a find that time around. Parañaque not settling for the outside shot. And pinaabangan na ng Leyte yung tira doon. Kaya naman nalibre sa ilalim itong si, that was Alvester.
And Clemente will score for Leyte, giving them again an 11-point lead. Eight minutes and 15 to go. A substitution para dito sa Parañaque.
And one of the things that Parañaque needs to pay attention to, yung talagang kanilang perimeter defense. Itong mga gwardya ng Leyte, dire-diretso sa kanilang atake in the lane.
Morales for the offensive rebound. Clemente will be called for the offensive foul.
Was an extension
I'm
on
sorry, that's Gabalonzo.
Oo. Merong extension ng right forearm itong si Gabalonzo. So he was called for that offensive foul. Take a look at this. He was the one who initiated that contact.
For 3. Alvester scoring there for Parañaque.
Nagawan pa ng paraan doon itong si Alvester.
And it goes out of bounds. We'll turn you over now to Andrea Veloso. Andrea, what's the latest?
Coach Kenneth of Parañaque was frustrated during the huddle because of the easy shots his player gave to Leyte during the first. At ayaw na rin niya makita ulit yon here in the next quarters. His challenge now is for the team to turn the game around here in the first 6 minutes. Kailangan pagdating daw ng 4-minute mark, dikit o lamang na sila. And how will they do that? Coach said, simple lang, defend, execute, and shoot it pride and confidence. Gentlemen.
Right now, Parañaque is down 54-47. It's easier said than done.
Oo, it's a tall order para dito sa Parañaque. But they've been grinding and just like that, naibaba na nga nila itong Kalamangan.
All right, we'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
All right, from tip-off to the final buzzer, every moment counts, and so does every meal. Whether you're celebrating a win or just enjoying the game, Chef's Magic Condiments brings the flavor that makes every bite unforgettable. Chef's Magic, make every meal a magic moment. Ay, akala ko freeze. $54.49. Six and a half remaining in the third.
Oh, long bomb para dito sa Parañaque. That was Cordero. Quickly answered by Leyte. And yun nga, sabi ni Coach
Kailangan
Kenneth
dumikit.
kanina, ayaw niya nang makita yung mga easy baskets.
Oo. Pero dumikit na sila ng 4 na puntos, 56-52. And you mentioned long bomb. Na-miss ko na rin yun eh. Yung mga
Oo.
tirang malalayo. Yung mga tirang malalayo. Gabalonzo is rejected inside. Ball stays with Leyte. Well, 56-54, Parañaque to within 2 points. Abaigar. Gabalonzo. Nice move by Gabalonzo.
And I thought that was already good defense on the part of Cordero, but Gabalonzo, tough shot maker, nagawan pa ng paraan with that up and under move.
5 minutes and 20 to go. Orbineta not able to score from the outside. Chua. Five minutes to go. That's a travel.
Wasted opportunity para dito sa Parañaque. They had that lane, just bothered by that defense and forced to a turnover.
4 minutes and 45 seconds left to play in the third quarter. Oh, what a move by Clemente. Getting that first step, the burst of the first step. He's unstoppable.
And that's why most coaches teach yung defenders to send ball handlers to the ball screen dahil nga pag na-counter ka, kadalasan wala nang help.
An unsportsmanlike foul called on Cordero. A bad foul to give because it will be 2 free throws plus ball possession and he will rest for 3 minutes.
And to make matters worse, naibaba na nila tong Kalamangan to as low as 2 and ngayon pagkakataon muli para dito sa Leyte to increase it. And clearly there was that foul holding on to the jersey.
And he gets the second. And they will maintain possession. Clemente, he sprays it outside.
Better coverage that time for Parañaque.
A fadeaway shot. Gabalonzo scores.
Wala ka nang mahihingi pa sa depensa ng Parañaque doon. They were able to stop the first point of attack and shot clock was already winding down, but Gabalonzo just knocking down difficult shots in this game.
Under 4 minutes to go. Gabalonzo going all the way.
That's just too easy ngayon. Balik na ulit sa 11 itong Kalamangan.
Dalawang puntos na lang yan kanina eh.
Yeah, in less than 3 minutes naman, na ibalik ulit, na iakyat itong Leyte.
3.5. Labor. 3 if it goes. It goes out of bounds. Let's take a look at this replay here. Gabalonzo.
Turnaround
Shot.
Turnaround jumper para sa kanya. And ito naman yung kanyang atake right after that. 4 straight points para dito kay Gabalonzo.
3 minutes and 25 to go. Third quarter action.
Not a good foul para dito sa Parañaque. That's Carlson de Dios.
Up next, yung tatlong games natin, Batangas versus Antipolo, yung home team. Second time that will be playing at home. It's an 11-point lead. Now it's 67-54. 3:09 to go. That's a three-pointer. Ibarra misses the three. Abaigar with the rebound. C. Morelos scores.
And Leyte showing us how to run a fast break attack. Wala nang dribble dun sa atake na yun. Just moving the basketball well.
That was Damian, by the way. Sorry. We'll be right back. Timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
All right, we are back inside the Antipolo Sports Hub. Two minutes and 43 to go. 69-54. Largest lead of the game, by the way. Kanina, after the report of Andrea, bumaba yung kalamangan ng Leyte, 2 points.
Yeah, somewhere in the 6-minute mark. And then, pagbaba sa 3 minutes, 11 na ulit itong Kalamangan. What a quarter para dito sa Leyte.
Gabalonzo missing outside. Labor taking care of it. Poked away by Clemente from behind. He was trying to pick the pocket of Labor, but the pocket was empty. .2:13 to go. Three. That's only a 2-pointer. He stepped on the line. Ibarra knocking it down. A long 2-pointer.
It's been one of the hot hands para dito sa Parañaque. Itong si Ibarra already has 9 points here in the game.
C. Magan. (69-56).
It's going to be a sideline inbound para dito sa Parañaque. Still trailing big in this game. 13 points ang kanilang hinahabol. Moving the basketball well. Itong Parañaque, they're able to get it inside and they'll be rewarded with a foul.
De Guzman is at the line. Taking 2 free throws. First did not go in. 1:26 to go. Second free throw. And he missed both. Outside shot, no. No, that's not De Guzman, that's De Heron.
Siguan with another basket inside, using his left hand to finish that shot.
Clemente scores on the other end.
And Clemente has been a thorn para dito sa mga gwardya ng Parañaque.
Oh, Magan with an acrobatic shot.
One of the easiest baskets para dito sa Parañaque. Magan with that downhill attack.
73-58, the largest lead in the game. 34 seconds to go. So what's going on after that report of Andrea na Kailangan pag sa first 4 minutes, nagawa naman nila eh.
Oo, pero ito muna, no, tingnan natin ulit yung athletic shot na yun mula dito kay Magan. And yes, no, ganda. Nakuha nila yung kanilang
Sinabi
kumbaga
nila
yung-
kasi, first 4 minutes
oo,
eh.
yung goal nila. No, ibabahan nila sa dalawa. Ang di naman napag-usapan, ano mangyayari after
Oo.
3 minutes?
Pareho lang yun sa storya mo eh. 73-58. "19 seconds to go in the third. Cordero. Ibarra for 3. Nice challenge there by Damian. No more time remaining. End of the third. 73-58.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, Liga ng bayan na to.
All right, fourth quarter action here. So pag-usapan natin ulit yung nangyari sa third period. Bumaba na sa dalawa at umangat ulit itong coming in the last 4 minutes.
Well, it took Parañaque 4 minutes to trim the lead down to 2. And ito namang Leyte, kinailangan lang ng halos 3 minuto para maibalik sa 11 yung kalamangan. Ito si 21-17 quarter. Para nga lamang nga itong Leyte.
73-61.
That was a three-pointer coming from Cordero.
Shot clock down to 7 seconds. 3 ball. De Heron goes inside. Block.
Had a wide open teammate to his left. Itong si De Heron. But makes up for it.
And that's Cordero. He misses. Ball knocked loose. And picked up by Leyte. 4-on-1. Chua. Bad pass by Chua.
It's all about spacing and decision making in transition. Para dito sa Leyte, they had the numbers pero masikip yung kanilang
Oo.
atake doon.
Totoo. Tsaka may yung trailer na defender dumating din eh.
Kaya nga.
Kaya na-covered yung matakat nila na si Arendo. Van Hoeksloot. Ball stays with Leyte. (73-61), 8:24 to go, and the ball goes out of bounds.
Miscommunication on the part of Leyte. Balik ang bola dito sa Parañaque.
Cordero brings it down. 3 ball, and it's an air ball.
Good swing to the opposite end. Just couldn't get that shot itong Parañaque.
Oh, technical foul for improper wearing of uniform. Kailangan mo kasi itak in sa labas ka pa.
Oo, bago ka palang pumasok.
Oo. That's the
And-
discipline of the junior MPBL.
And we have to remind our players, we are
Trabaho din ng coach, ano?
on live stream.
Oo.
So hindi talaga pwedeng ibababa mo yung shorts mo dahil makukuha yan eh.
Oo.
At mapapanood.
Buti nga ngayon may cycling shirt ni.
Oo.
Ano yun?
Nung panahon ko, supporter.
Oo, tapos... Oo. May iba nga nagsusuporta, hindi walang brief eh.
It happens, yeah.
73 to 61. Seven minutes and 49 to go. Cordero hitting only the back rim. Ayan siya natawag na spacing. Pag pumasok,
Oo.
maganda yun. Kaya lang hindi pumasok yung tres. But that was a good shot. Hang time move. It goes. Well, it is a foul. No field goals for Parañaque.
Alvester making that play possible. Very patient with his offense. Nahanapan niya itong si Vince Magan was trailing in that transition attack.
7 minutes and 22 to go in the fourth quarter. Well, Magan is at the line. He got his first. Second free throw is underway. Player down on the floor. That's Alvester.
And he was claiming that he got hit.
7 minutes and 15 to go. 74-61. Outside shot, no connection. Battle for the rebound. Alvester will be called for he will be warned for faking a foul.
Beautiful move mula kay Julius Cabalonzo. Swing step finish for him pero nakakalimutan nila itong si Vince Magan with that quick response para dito sa Parañaque.
76-65. Abaigar. Magan spins. Magan goes inside too strong. Medyo nahilo ako. Pati siya. Dalawang beses umikot eh. Gabalonzo fires and scores.
And Gabalonzo is a man on a mission today. He's already has 23 big points, 7 rebounds, and 4 assists.
Three ball is good from downtown. Chua is ahead. Ibarra in pursuit and will be called for the foul. And that was a bad foul to give.
Yeah. And if you can only see the reaction on the bench of the coaches nitong Parañaque after getting that three-pointer, allowing that easy layup and to make matters worse, and one opportunity pa ito para kay Chua.
It's a 12-point lead for Leyte. Under 6 minutes to go. Three ball. Yes, back-to-back three-point shots for Parañaque. Alvester scoring from downtown.
That was from the opposite ends. Itong three-pointers ni Alvester. This is giving Parañaque some signs of life here.
Fourth quarter action. 5.5 to go. Cordero. Dribbling violation. Ball goes back to Leyte. It's a 10-point lead for Leyte.
Wasted opportunity there para dito sa Parañaque. That was an important possession para sa kanila. Muli sanang maibababa itong Kalamangan to a single digit pero Leyte still able to protect it.
Chua. Gabalonzo. Chua goes inside, finds trouble with it. And it's a 24-second shot clock violation. It's time for you to sign the autograph. It's a 10-point lead for Leyte. Three ball, short. Abaigar attacking the baseline, basket counts, and a foul.
Strong move mula dito kay Abaigar. He has been the primary option nitong Leyte every time they want to dump the ball inside. Pero ngayon, siya naman ang umatake on that baseline.
Four and a half to go. Substitution for Parañaque. Leyte ahead by 13 points, 84-71. Cordero.
Yan ang depensa nun para dito sa Leyte. First covering yung swing pass to the weak side and ganda rin yung kanilang drop down coverage.
4-3. Clemente misfires. Chua overcooks. Abaigar outside. Putting out the move on Cordero. Here's Cordero. Labor with a rebound. We go to the corner for three. This time it is short. And quickly to Chua. Chua scores.
And that has been the story of this game. Pag sumablay itong Parañaque from the outside, ang sagot parating itong Leyte is a transition attack.
86-71. Three ball. Foul is called.
And looks like itong si Cordero is already cramping up.
Oo.
Kanina pa pinapagpag yan eh. At possession before that one, we saw him nung bumababa pinapagpag na yung kanyang paa.
Labas ngayon si Cordero.
Has played 28 minutes here in this game. 11 points, 4 rebounds, and 3 assists. Itong si Al James Cordero.
Clemente. Oh, what a pass. And Gabalonzo with the finish.
And this backward combination of Clemente and Gabalonzo. Really efficient para dito sa Leyte.
Well, let's check the fast break points for these two teams.
It's 19 for Leyte. Make that 21 and 12 para dito sa Parañaque. Chua has had a ball
that
game
keeps
also.
them ahead of this game.
Yeah.
90-71. Maalat yung three-point shooting nila eh.
And also 20 second chance points for Leyte. Only 9 para dito sa Parañaque.
Oh, Clemente with a gorgeous move. And he looks at us after he scored that basket in transition. Back-to-back-to-back transition offense for Leyte.
Clemente doing a Rajon Rondo in that last attack. There will be a timeout para dito sa Parañaque.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo, yeah. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Junior and PBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
Ito na, last 2 minutes na po tayo. 90-71. Ang laki na ng kalamangan ng Leyte. Kaya pa ba ng Parañaque, Melo?
Well, kakailanganin ng perfect ball game para makabalik itong Parañaque, and it starts with that 3-pointer. Pero yung oras talagang not on their side anymore.
And they're playing against Leyte and against the time. 92-74. 18-point lead for Leyte. A minute and a half to go. They did a miracle with the biblical proportion.
And all Leyte need to do here is use as much time as they can. And it's going to be an offensive foul called against Damian.
Yan, pasok yung tira. Di kailangan din nila ng mga stops.
That's pagkalinawan with this and one opportunity. Masakit nga dun eh, nakakapuntos din itong Leyte. And they're able to use up their shot clock.
The 106 to go, 92-74. Ito, 1 minute na lang po ang natitira. Cordero. Foul is called. It was like the parting of the Red Sea, tapos biglang sumirado din eh. Yeah.
Parang ini-invite nila na, sige, pasok ka. Tapos pag nandun na, sasarahan at ita-challenge yung tira.
Yes, it was a foul pero challenge din nila para no easy shots
Yes,
for Parañaque.
Parañaque
92-76.
Parañaque is shooting 36% from the free throw line. 11 yung kanilang, make that 12 attempts and 5 yung kanilang naipasok.
40 seconds to go. Eight-second backcourt violation. Twenty-seven seconds. Ten seconds to go. Ang bilis ng last 2 minutes, ano?
Yeah, and Vince Magan, binaba itong Kalamangan to 12 points. And Leyte will not
Yung miracle
score
of
anymore.
biblical proportions hindi na tupad, ano? Masyadong malaki, malaki, tsaka yung oras wala na talaga.
Their best chance was when they brought the lead down to 2.
Yeah.
Pero mabilis nga nakasagot itong Leyte and they will escape with this win.
92-80 ating final score dito. Nanalo po ang Leyte. First win here in the Junior MPBL 4th season. Itong Parañaque wala pang panalo dito sa ating Junior MPBL. And now we go to our Don Benito's Defensive Player of the Game. All right. Antay natin yung ating Don Benito's. After the game, may Don Benito's Defensive Player of the Game tayo. May Milo Assist Champ of the Game. So,
It's good that we're recognizing yung not only the best scorer and the highest scorer of the game. Kasi marami na talagang aspects yung laro ngayon na nagmamatter dun sa resulta. And one of it, of course, is defense.
and defense plays a major part. Teams, yung panalo nila, part yun. Kailangan talaga maganda yung depensa. All right. There's the Don Benito's Defensive Player of the Game, Kirby Abaygar.
He's got 9 rebounds itong si Kirby Abaygar and instrumental in this win because of his interior presence.
And our Milo Assist Champ of the Game, ito naman si John Rain Clemente. 7 assist yan.
Yeah, great facilitator para dito sa panig ng Leyte and he's been able to set up his teammates all throughout this game.
Now we go to Andrea Veloso to talk to our best player of the game, brought to us by Chef's Magic.
Performing big here today with 27 points, 8 rebounds, and 5 assists. Our best player of the game from the 18 under Leyte Shore Homes, none other than Julius Gabalonzo. Julius, congratulations. Pre-game, sabi mo nga, 100% ka today at gusto mo talaga makabawi from your absence last game. And mukhang nagawa mo naman yon today. Ano masasabi mo, Julius?
Ayun po, ginawa po lang namin. Actually, nag-ensayo po kami kahapon. Ginawa po namin yung mga mali namin nakaraan kasi galing po kami sa talo. And yun, maganda naman po yung resulta.
Julius, ngayong nakuha nyo na itong una nyong panalo dito sa this season, no? Paano nyo lang mabibuild to in the next games?
Ayun po, tutuloy-tuloy lang po namin yung ensayo namin. Ayun lang po, pagbubutihan po namin.
Good luck with your next games. Julius, baka may gusto ka pasalamatan. Ano ba diyan?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi binigay yung unang panalo at nagpapasalamat ako sa mga coaching staff kasi binigyan ako opportunity mapaglaro dito. At sa mga pamilya ko nanonood dyan, sa mga coaches ko, ay lang po.
Congratulations, Julius, and of course to the 18 under latest Sure Homes. Gentlemen.
All right. Thank you very much. Up next, it's Batangas versus the home team, Antipolo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior and PBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng